Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the sales rank, or as it is also called, the BSR. Lately, Amazon has provided many more insights and details regarding several topics, not only advertising but several different ones, and one of them is the BSR. But before we get going, please be kind enough to subscribe to our video channel. This way you're making sure that you're not going to miss another video and you're always staying in the loop with anything important regarding Amazon. And if you haven't done so already, please also download the AMALYZE browser extension. It really is a great tool. I'm sure you won't regret it. Just give it a shot and see how you like it. But let's get going. I guess people always have been wondering, how do you become a bestseller on Amazon? Everybody wants to become a bestseller on Amazon, but only a few people know how to do that. What's the reason? What makes your product move up and down in the rankings? How is the sales rank calculated? Well, the sales rank is calculated based on all-time sales of an ASIN or product where recent sales are weighted in more than older sales. And I like that answer from Amazon. It's very straightforward. I guess the only thing that didn't cover, and you have to decide for yourself if it's important or not, if it matters which category your product is affiliated with. Let's say you're changing categories or you're new to a category and you really have generated a lot of sales, but it doesn't show in the rankings. What's the reason for that? Well, one of the reasons for sure can be that the older sales have more value than the newer ones. And this is in regards to both possibilities, either being new to a category or having changed categories. But other than that, I think Amazon's been very, very clear with the details that they have provided. Why do I not see any sales rank from my product or ASIN? Well, we know this happens if you're not really affiliated with a specific category or if you haven't generated a sales record yet. One thing definitely to keep in mind is that Amazon is not generating a sales rank for all categories, but only to those categories that Amazon defines as useful to the customer. New in the statement is though that they're definitely updating the bestseller rank each hour, but that it can take up to 12 hours for a product to actually appear in the sales rank. Of course, this doesn't really explain what time frame is being analyzed just because it's being updated every hour. In some cases, not seeing a sales rank can be because of filtering rules applied during the sales rank generation. And it's also important to keep in mind that featured categories are special browse nodes. You can check with selling partner support if you have been assigned to the correct featured category. Why did my sales rank reduce or not increase after having a lot of sales? Well, first of all, one thing to keep in mind, sales ranks are relative. It really just depends on the category because each category is different. There are some, for example, who really have a shallow slope, which really means that a sale or a sale that you didn't make can really have a big impact in your ranking. And then there are those graphs who really have a steep, or category which really have a steep curve, which really would take a big increase in your sales in order to make a significant difference. While your product has had a lot of sales, there may have also been other products in the same category that might have seen an increase in sales as well. And also, sales rank takes into account both recent and historical sales to determine the rank. How are variations handled when it comes to the sales rank? Of course, this is a very important topic. Amazon clearly states that there are some parent and child ASINs who can have the same rank. This really just depends on the category. And for example, if all the child ASINs are added up and then applied to the parent ASINs, or if each child ASIN is accounted on their own, and then of course they would have generated their own sales rank. Ensure that your child and parent ASINs are assigned to the same website display group and that the parent ASIN has the right browse categories assigned to it, or you might not see a sales rank for the same. Of course, this often comes down to soft and hard variations. Soft variations like clothes, for example, are usually added up, while the hard variations usually have their own ranking more often than not. How can I get a bestsellers badge? Well, there definitely used to be time in the past where you needed fewer than 100 products in order to receive the bestsellers badge, but those times have definitely changed. Now Amazon clearly states that you need at least 100 products in the category in order to receive the bestsellers badge. In addition to this, there are ordering thresholds that are placed on certain ASINs, and of course these are different from category to category. Amazon goes on and states, "We do not show bestseller badges on product detail pages for stores where orders of the child ASINs are assigned to the parent and a sales rank is generated for the parent ASIN. We keep revisiting and experimenting with this criteria to ensure our bestsellers badges continue to be useful to our customers." I really like the way Amazon stated this. It's very straightforward and leaves little room for interpretation. Why does another product with lesser reviews or poor ratings have a higher sales rank than my product? Sales rank is generated on order data and reviews are not taken into consideration. Also, number of reviews is not necessarily a direct indication of the number of sales. With that being said, it's probably not a smart idea to look at the reviews and assume that's exactly how many sales a product has generated. Due to the lengthy time frame, you just can't assume that these results are indicative of each other. That's it for today. Please stay up to date with Amazon. They're really bringing out a lot of new information at the moment. Read up on the new info on Amazon Seller Central and Vendor Central. And if you don't have the time, you can also hit the subscribe button and we'll try to keep you up to date. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If you have any questions, drop me a line down below in the comment section and I'll answer anything that you might have. Thank you again. Take care of yourself and each other. See you soon. Bye-bye.